Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying your device and OS so you know which settings path to use. That matters because manufacturers vary. Once done, back up your home layout or take screenshots of widgets so you can restore quickly. Make sure your battery is above 20% and close background apps. Now open Settings and search for Home, Display, or Apps. On some phones, you'll find launchers listed. Tap the Home or Default app entry to start changing or turning off the home screen behavior. Next, swap the default launcher to a minimal or blank launcher if available. This effectively turns off interactive home elements. You can also disable widgets and lock the home layout to prevent accidental restores. Make sure to remove persistent icons and app suggestions from the home settings to reduce clutter. If your system has gesture navigation tied to the home screen, go into Gestures and disable or reassign those gestures. These steps strip the home screen to a passive or non-existent state. Finally, reboot your device so the new launcher and settings take full effect. That ensures background services reset. If the original home screen returns, go to Apps, clear the launcher's cache and defaults, then reselect your chosen minimal launcher to force the change. Make sure you keep the backup screenshot or exported layout so you can restore if you decide to revert. If problems persist, uninstall recent launchers or perform a settings reset for the launcher only. That usually resolves stubborn defaults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.